Here is a fun project to do with your leftover paraffin wax. Begin by breaking down the wax into small bits and pieces so that it melts faster. And then we're going to go ahead and place it in our saucepan. Place it on fire and let it melt, and stir it to help it melt faster. And in this process also, you can remove the bits and pieces, the impurities that might be in the wax, so that you have a clean, smooth consistency. And at this point, you are going to add in our crayons, but in this case, I'm using pastels. And then once you've mixed it in, we're going to pour it into a silicone mold, ensuring that you fill it up to the top. And then let it rest for 1 hour or so. You can speed up the cooling process by dipping it in cold water. And once it has cooled, we are now going to reveal the hardened mold. As you can see, the outer part is very clean and glossy. And guys, that's how you create a skull mold using paraffin wax. My hope is that you enjoyed this video. You can go ahead and play around with it, even try different colors, as you can see what I did here. Have fun, do more experiments, and most importantly, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.